What a busy weekend we had. We made a flower arrangement and delivered it. I'm happy we were able to deliver it to the destination. And we made an acharra and repollo. What should we do with our extra? Extra time? No, we don't have any extra time. But extra repollo. Join me for some fun and learning. Welcome to our dampa and to my quality time. Pag-iirimitan nyo. Alone here, close to nature. Just me and myself and nature. It's a privilege denied to many, really. A chance to be alone. I'm enjoying this. And I'm sharing it too. While I'm warming up my omelette, there's a separate video on that, the cabbage omelette or tortilla de repollo. Let's enjoy our soup, instant soup. Enough of pag-iirimitan nyo this time. Let's go back home. You're watching Channel 1, a gardening and cooking channel. Let's rejoin Romulo at his small kitchen. Hello. I'm busy here making acharra. It's been just waiting for the brine to cool down. But I have here extra cabbage which has been thinly sliced. What should I do with it? How about making a coleslaw? Yeah, coleslaw. A lighter side dish. Let's do the classic American coleslaw. Very simple ingredients. We only need this. Plus mayonnaise, a bit of mustard, and cider vinegar. I don't have that, but I'll use this and just be adding a bit of sugar to simulate a cider vinegar. Let's start. Let's shred this carrot using the big holes of this grater or the shredder. Is this shredder or grater? I think it's grater. Let's discard this one, that's too big. Yeah. Next, let's slice the onion. Easy, thanks to this machine. That took longer than I thought. And voila, all our ingredients. The vegetables in the mixing bowl. It's time to put in the sauce. Start with the mayonnaise. The order does not matter really, as long as you put them all. You don't have to mix it now. Add next the mustard. Oh no, vinegar. This is just ordinary vinegar. And now the mustard. Mustard from Dijon in France. Mustard from Dijon. Plus freshly cracked or freshly ground pepper. Black pepper. What else? Can we start mixing now? Yes, anytime. Let's neutralize the sourness a bit with some sugar. And just mix. If you want it a bit wet, add milk. I prefer it to be on the dry side, so no milk. Discard more of those miscuts. So easy. Let's just give it a good stir and chill it. But let's taste it now and see how it tastes. I like it. I cannot find its cover, so this will work for now. And into the fridge. Yes, that was a busy weekend, but it was rewarding. And I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you really enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and don't miss any uploads we have. Click the bell icon and you get notified of our every release. And better share. If you enjoyed it, share it. Until next time, I'd like to leave you now with the making of our Sunday's flower arrangement. Your Kuya Uncle here in Holland, Romelo. Watch for our tulips planting coming up. See you!